Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Miro boards, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you share your Miro boards? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to share your Miro board anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you're probably working with a lot of different VAs or assistants, and by sharing your Miro board with them, you can keep everybody on the same page. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Miro dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Miro account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to share one Miro board, what you're going to do is go ahead and click on the board. Now, if you need to share access to your entire account, that's a different process. That's going to be handled at the account level. Here at the account level, what you're going to do is click on invite users. Once you do that, you're going to start adding people into your account by adding their email address and sending the invitation, or you can go ahead and text them this copied link right here. However, if you simply want to share one Miro board, what you're going to do is choose the Miro board that you like to share. For example, this one right here. Once you found the board that you like to share, over here to the right, you're going to see these three little dots. Once you click on there, you're going to see this button here called share. Once you click on there, you can go ahead and enter their email address, and that way they're going to receive an email to go into your Miro board. Another option is you can go ahead and copy the link right here. So click on copy team invite link. Now you can just email that out or you can text it. Now you do want to be sure to change the permission. So right here, my assistants will not be able to edit this Miro board unless I change this to edit. So I'm going to click on can edit. Okay, so that changed the permissions, and then I'm just going to copy the team link. Once my team member gets this link, they can click on it, sign into their Miro, and that way they'll have access to my Miro board here. Another way that you can share your Miro board is just click into the board itself right here. Okay, so once you click on there, it's going to show your Miro board. You can see right here. And in order to share this board here on the top right, you can click on share. Once you click on share, it's going to show the same thing that we looked at earlier. So we can go ahead and invite somebody with their email address, or we can use this link right here by copying the team invite link. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to share your Miro board, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.